under the curse. All right, YouTubes. We're heading out to get the equipment, well, half of the equipment for the cargo container that we're going to convert into a walk-in box out on the farm. We got the indoor unit, it's a pipe. The outdoor unit is in transit, but I want to get the coil built up, get some video of that. There'll be some cool stuff on this video, like maybe I'll show you guys my solar generator out there. I'm going to provide power. Yeah, working in Santa Cruz is like being on an island because there is no parts place here in town. And so I go 45 minutes to Salinas. I've been with those guys since I was a kid, so I keep going out there. And we'll get some video. We got Monterey sunshine. This is our summer pattern. Foggy, overcast mornings, and then sunshine in the afternoons. We got Sparky. We got a little Sparky van right there, truck, some conduits, lots of traffic, and I'll show you guys some of this. I do have one small parts place in town, H.V.A.C. Great guys. I can get refrigerant and some parts, but not equipment. I think I said that already. And we'll show you some cool stuff on this job. I want to build the coil out and get things prepped and ready for this job. And that's where I'm at on this one. So stay tuned. We'll get out there. I'll get a little time lapse. I might even get you a shot of the back of the van while we're driving. Who knows? Got the little parts, got the insulation loaded. Now I gotta pick up, there's my copper. Look, I'm getting a bit. Here's my coil. Big old 3-fanner. Bernie's got my coil. All right, here she is for the cargo container. It's gonna be a 3-fan. Interesting though, the suction line is only gonna call for 3/4 inch. So 3/4 inch and 3/8 for 448A. And so we're gonna boogie. I still gotta get a few more parts at the homeless depot. Okay, I got my red. You know, if it sticks out more than 2 feet, you gotta have some red on there. You guys know the rules. I'm not here to be YouTube policing everybody. Hear that? It's the Vangina sounding good. Oh, looky there. Look, she's there, but she's also on my phone. Look at that.